Moving can be very exciting, and it can also be scary. It can be smooth sailing, or it could be wrought with silly issues that your cat peeing in the box of towels because you haven't unpacked his cat dish yet sends you into a kind of rolling on the ground, slapping your leg, crying big fat tears laughter that makes your family wonder if you need medical intervention. And that's just the beginning of the adventure. In the first year in a new home, you'll likely experience the full spectrum of human emotions, sometimes in the span of just a few minutes. And while you can't know everything that's going to happen, you can prepare yourself with some of the inevitables of both good and not so good variety. Something's going to break. It could just be a sprinkler head, or it could be your air conditioning unit in the middle of the summer. But knowing that something will eventually break in the house is the best reason for all of us to be proactive. Being able to quickly deal with a leaking water heater or a roof that's damaged in a hailstorm is key to minimizing the damage for your finances and your sanity. This is why a great home inspector, seller disclosure, and home warranty are so important when you're buying. They can help avoid and provide a solution to almost any possible issue. There are 4 main keys to being prepared. First is saving money. Owning a house doesn't change the rule of thumb that it's wise to have about 6 months worth of income in a rainy day fund. What changes is the amount of your monthly expenses that will be consumed if you need to tap into those funds. If your mortgage, taxes, insurance, utilities, and other payments rise with a new mortgage, you could use your savings up a lot more quickly. With this in mind, if you are saving less than the guideline, intend to tighten your belt a little bit, and your bills are going to increase that come with home ownership that makes skimping on your 80-day fund dangerous business. So keep making sure that you're funding that. The second thing is knowing where everything is located. You don't want to get caught in an emergency situation and scrambling around trying to figure out how to shut off your gas. Finding a trustworthy handyman is also very important. Unless someone in the house is handy and actually does this stuff they say they're going to do in a very timely manner, you'll want to find a great handyman. Having somebody that you can call in a pinch to repair the doggy door or garage door opener, or add a ceiling fan to a room that stays 5 degrees warmer than the rest of the house is always clutch. Next door is a great place to find a handyman, as well as a babysitter, a dog walker, or a lost cat. The next part is getting a home warranty. In many cases, you can buy a home warranty after you've purchased a home. For our buyers, we always negotiate for the seller to buy them a home warranty before closing. If you have an older home, or potentially a home that has an older air conditioner unit, for example, that could cost several thousands of dollars to repair or replace. Or just want to make sure that you're covered for all those things that could bust or break, a warranty is a really good thing to consider. A home warranty is a contract between a homeowner and a home warranty company that provides for a discounted repair and replacement service on the home's major components, such as the furnace, air conditioner, plumbing, and electrical system. A home warranty may also cover major appliances such as washer, dryer, refrigerator, and even swimming pools. Most plans have a basic component that provides all homeowners who purchase a policy certain coverages. Homeowners can also purchase one or more additional components that provide stuff at an additional cost. Even with rental homes, a lot of property managers will put a home warranty on their home to protect it so they don't have to worry about the ongoing repairs. The next thing is junk mail. Expect to see a mailbox full for months after you move. A lot of it will be junk, but there will be some valuable stuff in there, like coupons from local stores that can save you money on furniture and housewares. Don't forget to also take advantage of the coupons that are part of the USPS change of address package. You'll probably also want to get some refinancing offers. If your home happens to gain equity during the first year and rates dip, you might be able to refinance your home into a lower payment. The next part is you're going to make a lot of new friends. Unless you're a total hermit who never exits the home, even to take a walk, get the mail, or water the flowers, you're bound to make some new friends in your new neighborhood. Those updates that you knew you needed when you moved in will become a priority at some point. That ugly floor, those outdated countertops, they're just staring and taunting you. When you can't take it anymore, consider this. You don't have to shell out a bunch of extra cash for them. You could use interest-free credit at Home Depot or Lowe's, and you could break up the spend into manageable monthly payments over a long period of time. Just make sure that you make your payments by the due date every month. Missing one, being late, or not paying the minimum due, even for 1 month, will void your agreement and add a whole bunch of extra interest to your total. You are definitely going to have big dreams and reality checks throughout the home buying process. Unless you've bought or intending on buying a brand new home, there are a few things that you're going to want to change beyond furniture. It may just be the carpet in the bedroom or a splash of new paint, or it might be ripping out your entire kitchen. And even for a new home, all of these things will apply. Budget concerns will probably keep the renovation in check for many people, but you'll also want to assess the return on investment for the renovations that you have in mind. Even if you're not planning on turning around the home and selling it in the next year or two, knowing that the updates you make are valuable and will be a good investment is always very important. Typically, home ownership is going to cost more than you thought. This ties back to the savings money thing, because there will always be stuff that needs to be fixed and updated. But there will undoubtedly also be surprisingly low cost for things. For instance, if you're going to go up in square footage from where you currently are, you may not have considered the extra heating and cooling costs too. There are tactics that you can use to address some of these costs. For example, you can do an energy audit. A home energy audit, also known as a home energy assessment, is the first step to assessing how much energy your new home might consume and to evaluate what measures you can take to make sure the home is more efficient. If you have any other kind of questions or concerns about the information that's been provided, or if you want to dig a little bit deeper into it, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks and have a great day.